Hello guys, for another video. There is a lot of websites give you ready designs you can upload on your print-on-demand shop. As a beginner or even you are a pro designers, you need sometimes ready designs. You can just make a small change and upload them on your shop. So today's video I will show you the best websites can give you ready designs with commercial use you can upload to your shop. For the new people, my name is Sad. I run this channel uploading content about making money online with print-on-demand business by giving you daily tips and tricks help you to improve your shop, increase your sales and scale your print-on-demand business. So if you're interested in this field, be sure you smash that red button and hit the notification bell to see my newest videos. And don't forget to enjoy our Facebook group, the link in the description below. So let's get started. Some of these websites have a daily update. It's mean you have daily new designs you can use. The first one is PNG Tree. These websites have a lot of ready designs like you see. There is a lot of designs on format PNG you can use. This website allow you to upload 30 design a day with the $60 subscription. But you have the freedom and the commercial use to use those designs the way you want, even you don't make any change to the design you choose. The second one is FreePic. As myself, I use FreePic since 2018 and these websites are wonderful and very helpful. FreePic have millions of vectors, fonts, graphics and even pictures you can use with the commercial use of course, and you can type any niche you want. FreePic have a pro designers upload daily content to their website and they pay a respectful commission to their designer, and because of that the designer will motivate it and make more content, and always I find what I need on FreePic. But the negative point about FreePic is you must make a small change of every design you choose. You must add the FreePic design as a second element, not the main element. Like you see in this article from FreePic itself, they explain the allowed and not allowed use. And because of that, a lot of people have a problem of copyright and they don't know the reason why. For example, Amazon KDP, I know a lot of people Amazon suspended their account without any explanation, but I found a common point. They use elements and designs from FreePic and they not make any change. So be sure when you use an element from FreePic, you make a small change or use that element as a second element and not the main element. And I wish you guys understand my point. The third website is Vexels. Vexels is like FreePic. Also you can use millions of ready designs, but the advantage about Vexels, it depends about your subscription. You can request a design from Vexels, you told them the idea and they will design it for you. Every subscription have a number of requests. Also the great about Vexels, you can use a design from Vexels without change. Just download the design and upload him on your shop, but I don't recommend to do so because a lot of people can use the same design without change, and this can bring you some copyright problem. I have failed in this situation before. I was upload a Christmas design from Vexels to Redbubble, and after 2 days Redbubble removed that design because copyright, and when I checked the person who complained, I see that he used the same design and of course he have a subscription on Vexels too. And I explained this to Redbubble support, but they do not rectify my design. And they said that the person who complained uploaded the design before me, so it's the owner of that design. So if you want to use a design from Vexels without change, first search if the design was already used by another person. If so, just make a small change and upload it to your shop. The next website is the most famous one and also one of the best is Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica have millions of awesome and gorgeous designs, graphic, fonts, patterns and more. This website is like a golden mine of designers. This website can help you a lot on your print-on-demand business. Creative Fabrica have almost all niches in the market. Like you see, there is millions of elements you can use if you have a subscription with Creative Fabrica. All these packages will be available for you and you can use them for commercial use without problems. Also Creative Fabrica have updated designs. It's mean you have daily new designs you can use And Creative Fabrica have a huge style of patterns design. If we search for patterns, here like you see there is a thousands of beautiful patterns you can use. Why I search for patterns? Because this is how I find Creative Fabrica. I was searching for patterns I can make, I can use on I can use on my Etsy shop, and I don't find what I expect until I find Creative Fabrica. All the websites I mentioned in this video give you the ability to download the designs you want on different formats like PNG, JPG, OPS for illustration and more. So you have a lot of options to choose. Also you will find all the link in the description below. So guys, this is the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and see you in the next video.